Wow, guys, it's another morning in October. The chill is in the air. My favorite teams are, well, depending on who you ask, one is doing very well and the other one's not so much. Um, but look, I just wanted to throw this out there. Right now, if you've been watching anything or if you've known me for a long time, you've probably heard a little bit about the stuff that I'm talking about with what we're doing with AI. It is mind blowing, and we are just scratching the surface. I'm going to be doing a presentation in Dallas, Texas next Thursday evening after I wrap up a conference that I'm going to be at out there on just how we are using artificial intelligence to create virtual employees. Like, we're literally able to hire a team of strategists and writers and content creators by the tools that we're using with AI. One of the things that we've just finished doing or just finished building is a three-phase system called Journey Jolt. Journey Jolt is absolutely the most effective way for a business to identify and really establish their brand. If you feel like your brand is kind of all over the place and it's not consistent, it's not cohesive, Journey Jolt is for you. From there, we will give you a complete marketing strategy. We're talking this person doesn't know you exist, all the way to that same person is shouting about how awesome your business is from the rooftops of any rooftop they get up. And then from there, we can show you how to implement that entire strategy in accordance with your brand into whatever CRM tool or marketing tools and technology stack you have. Now, I will say we're going to be a little bit partial. We have a marketing tool and a tech stack of one. It's called Journey Builder, and that is what Journey Jolt is designed to get you ready for. Guys, this is just scratching the surface. But once you have Journey Jolt, you can create anything you want for your business. It can be give me my next 20 my give me my 2025 marketing strategy. It can be I've got an event coming up in 3 weeks. Give me the exact content posting schedule and strategy. Oh, give me an outline for an email sequence that I want to send to my list and get them to do this thing, and tell me when I need to send it, what the subject line should be. I mean, anything you want, but it's all going to be in line with your brand. So stick around, stay close. I'm getting ready to just drop as many knowledge bombs as possible because we are all in on the AI content revolution. Talk soon.